Hello everyone! Magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating barya ngayon guys. Ang 25 pels ng United Arab Emirates. Tapusin ang video guys dahil mayroon itong halagang umabot sa 1,474 pesos 0.78 centavos. This coins the United Arab Emirates 25 pels from 2018 is a part of the circulation series. Circulation coins are typically produced in large numbers, suggesting a high original supply. However, the survival rate of coins in good condition can vary due to physical wear from daily use. Coins from recent years like this one generally remain plentiful in the market, maintaining a consistent presence. Market demand and value analysis. The coin's collectible value hangs on its condition and any unique features. For modern circulation coins, demand is usually steady among collectors seeking to complete series or this with entries in Middle Eastern currencies. Given the 2018 issue is relatively recent, its value as a collectible is minimal unless it holds specific interest for niche collectors or showcases any noteworthy minting errors. In general, such coins are valued close to face value unless in exceptional graded condition. Overs, the coin proudly displays the denomination in elegant Arabic script encircled by the United Arab Emirates official name, reflecting the nation's rich linguistic heritage and its esteemed place on the global stage. Reverse, a depiction of a graceful gazelle, possibly the indigenous sand or withered species, is artistically rendered on this side. This creature symbolizes the delicate balance of wildlife within the UAE's diverse ecosystem and underscore the country's commitment to conservation. President Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, 2004 until 2022, year 1435, 1444, 2014, 2022. Calendar Islamic Hijri, value 25 pels. Sa Pilipinas guys ay nagkakalaga ito ng 4 pesos and 2 centavos. Ang currency naman ito guys ay dirham. Mayroon itong composition na nickel plated steel at may timbang na 3.48 grams. Mayroong diameter na 20 mm at mayroong thickness na 1.5 mm. Ang ating 2018 guys, 1440, mayroon lang itong 30% guys sa frequency. At mayroong price guys na uncirculated condition 38 pesos. Dito sa ating selling online guys sa eBay, may price itong 24.99 US dollars. Sa Pilipinas ay umabot ng 1,474 pesos 0.78 centavos. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.